how the moon still shines, even over parking lots and broken dreams. Clocked out at 2 a.m. again. Cold night air on tired skin. Smoke from the factory hanging low, like ghosts drifting through the road. Vending machine glow on my hands. Life moving faster than I planned, but the moon kept following me home, like something saying you ain't alone. There's a girl inside me still, who dreams beyond these rolling hills. Still hears magic in the wind, still believes this ain't the end. And maybe all these hard years were never meant to break me down. Maybe they were teaching me how to carry light through this town. Floor, trying to keep my spirit alive while this world keeps asking for more. Back road prayers and restless hearts, working through the midnight blues. But somewhere underneath these scars, I know I was born for more than just getting through. Cards on the passenger seat, gas station coffee and old receipts. Every little crack inside my soul, still reaching for something whole. Woman at the diner said to me, baby, don't lose your wild energy. I laughed, but deep inside I knew that's the one thing I can't let this world undo. 'Cause these tired times will drain your you fear and call it survival. But every storm I've lived through yet still couldn't kill my spirit dead. And every lonely highway mile feels like part of something bigger now, like heaven leaves little breadcrumbs for the ones still figuring it out. My spirit alive while this world keeps asking for more. Back road prayers and restless hearts, working through the midnight blues. But somewhere underneath these scars, I know I was born for more than just getting through. Finally hearing your own soul call. Maybe healing ain't clean or neat. Maybe it limps home on tired feet. Maybe magic lives in surviving nights without letting darkness steal your light. And maybe every scar I hide is proof I stayed alive inside. Moonlight on the time clock, silver on the concrete floor, trying to keep my spirit alive while this world keeps asking for more. Back road prayers and restless hearts, working through the midnight blues. But somewhere underneath these scars, I know I was born for more than just getting through. The moon sees the real you, even when